Hey my Dazzlers, welcome back. So I'm here with another makeup tutorial and this time it's inspired by Bulbbul. This is one of the Netflix originals. I don't know how many of you watched it, but I loved the makeup when I saw it. So this look is inspired from Tripti Dimri's character in Bulbbul. This is a typical vintage Bengali look and I was planning to do something like this since a long time. This one is a very simple look and it's very easy to achieve. So now let's get started. I just washed my face with this Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. This suits my sensitive skin really well and it does not dry out my skin. Then I'm going to moisturize my skin with this Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. This absolutely calms and it soothes my skin and hydrates my skin really well. Then I'm going to use this Color Bar Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. This one is a primer oil, which means it's a primer plus it gives you the perfect hydration. Next, I'm going to use this BAC Pure Hydration Gel. This gives my skin a beautiful glow. The foundation I'm going to use is this Nykaa Skin Genius and this is in the shade Warm Sand. Next, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. I'll list all the products in the description box below, so please check that out. Okay, next I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer and I'm just going to apply a very tiny amount just to brighten my under eye area. The reason why I use two concealers is because the first one is closer to my shade and it helps in hiding the dark circles, and the second one is a little lighter than my skin tone and it helps to highlight my under eye area. Now I'm going to set my concealer with this LA Girl Pro powder and then with the help of the Nykaa foundation brush I'm just going to take a little bit and set my under eye area. For my eyes I'm going to use this Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette in the shade Sweet Sunday, and I'm going to take this brown shade. This one is a little bit darker than my skin tone and I'm going to use it all over my eyelids. Now taking this dark brown shade, I'm just going to apply a very tiny amount on the crease area just to give it a little bit of dimension. Now taking this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, I'm just going to apply it closer to my upper lash line. Now taking this eyeliner brush from La Cara, this is the E009 brush, I'm just going to smudge the upper lash line. Now taking this dark brown shade, I am going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm just going to keep this look very natural. I'm going to use this Palladio Lash Obsessed Mascara. I love this mascara. This one does a great job. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I love this one. I'm going to use this shade Contour My Face. This one is from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. I'm using the F002 La Cara brush for bronzing my face. For the blush, I'm using this Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. And I'm going to mix the two and apply it on my cheeks. And I'm using the Nykaa Blush Brush. I'm going to use the same Makeup Revolution palette and I'm going to use this shade. And I'm going to apply it with the F004 La Cara brush. I'm going to line my lips with this Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris lip shade. I'm going to name the lipstick in the description box below, so check that out. Now I'm going to wear my jewelry and you're going to watch me get ready. I think she's wearing a Sindoor Bindi, but I don't think that's practical because it gets sweaty outside. Until and unless you don't sweat, it's fine, but if you go outside, you tend to sweat and the Sindoor, I don't know, I just don't feel it's practical, so I'm using a bindi, a red bindi. So I just crimped my hair. So guys, this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then do not forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and don't forget to comment on below how you liked Bulbbul if you watched it on Netflix. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. আপনাদের যদি এই ভিডিওটা লাইক কি পছন্দ হয়, আপনাদের যদি আপনাদের যদি এই ভিডিওটা পছন্দ হয় তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই লাইক করুন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আর কমেন্ট করুন।